In this last lecture of our course on voice modulation, we will focus on applying the techniques covered in previous lessons to real-life speaking situations. Practicing speeches, receiving constructive feedback, and engaging in self-assessment help refine vocal delivery and communication skills. Speakers can develop confidence and clarity in different settings by incorporating these strategies. In this lecture, you will learn how to apply learned vocal techniques in real-world speech practice, how to use peer reviews and self-assessment effectively, how to improve speech delivery through structured feedback, applying learned vocal techniques in real-world speech practice. Practicing speech delivery in real-life situations helps speakers refine their skills. While theory provides a strong foundation, practical application ensures improvement over time. Steps for effective speech practice. Choose a speech topic. Selecting a topic you are comfortable with allows you to focus on delivery rather than content. Write an outline. Structuring key points ensures logical flow and coherence. Record practice sessions. Listening to your own speech helps identify strengths and areas for improvement. Focus on vocal modulation. Applying techniques such as pitch variation, pacing, and emphasis improves engagement. Practice in different settings. Delivering speeches in various environments helps adjust to different audiences and speaking conditions. Rehearse in front of a small audience. Speaking in front of friends, colleagues, or classmates provides valuable experience before addressing larger groups. Time your speech. Monitoring speech duration ensures pacing is appropriate and prevents rushing or unnecessary pauses. Using peer reviews and self-assessment for improvement. Constructive feedback is a key element of speech development. Peer reviews and self-assessment help speakers gain perspective on their performance and identify areas that need refinement. Benefits of peer reviews. Provides an outside perspective. Others may notice vocal habits or mannerisms the speaker is unaware of. Offers constructive criticism. Feedback from peers highlights strengths and suggests areas for improvement. Encourages confidence building. Positive reinforcement motivates speakers to continue improving. Introduces new speaking styles. Observing others helps speakers learn different techniques and strategies. Develops active listening skills. Engaging in peer reviews enhances critical listening and analytical abilities. Effective self-assessment techniques. Watch and listen to recordings. Identifying patterns in speech delivery helps refine vocal clarity and expression. Analyze strengths and weaknesses. Making a list of what worked well and what can be improved helps structure future practice. Compare with previous speeches. Tracking progress over time provides motivation and insight into skill development. Use a self-evaluation checklist. Assessing vocal control, tone, pacing, and body language ensures a balanced review. Practice targeted improvements. Working on specific weak areas instead of making broad changes leads to steady improvement. Continuous improvement through structured feedback. Speech improvement is an ongoing process. Developing strong speaking skills requires regular practice, analysis, and refinement. Steps for implementing feedback. Prioritize actionable feedback. Focusing on specific suggestions rather than general comments ensures clear improvements. Apply feedback to next practice sessions. Implementing recommended changes strengthens performance over time. Seek feedback from different sources. Receiving input from multiple listeners provides a well-rounded evaluation. Develop a personal improvement plan. Setting goals and tracking progress helps speakers stay committed to improvement. Experiment with new techniques. Trying different vocal styles and delivery methods expands speaking ability.